The future is now. The Robo Cleaner from Kärcher. The Robo Cleaner will change your life because it vacuums your floors even when you are not at home. You have a choice of 4 cleaning programs. The Robo Cleaner vacuums up to 15 square meters an hour. Contact sensors detect obstacles. With its intelligent dirt recognition sensor, the Robo Cleaner adjusts itself to suit the degree of soiling. The Robo Cleaner gets into every corner and finds its way out again. Cleaning different floor coverings is no problem for the Robo Cleaner. It negotiates obstacles such as small ridges with the help of its sprung wheels. Optical sensors enable the Robo Cleaner to identify stairs reliably.